like there's a log coming down, we're gonna cut hard fucking left.
Okay.
You behind me. Eddies on the Nantahala are not very good eddies a lot of times, unless it's a big eddy, because they're very slippery. They've got a lot of backwash on the backside of them. That's why when you hit an eddy, you want to hit it right at the top, wherever that fucking rock is or whatever, because the bottom side of it is all washed out. You're fighting it, or it's blowing you back into the main stream.
Right.
Class 4 rapid, you miss that eddy, it might be blowing you into the deadly sieve. Right.
Okay.
Always aim for kind of the top end of the eddy, unless you know that there's like a rock in the middle of it that'll fuck you up and you gotta go below it. Nantahala eddies are not always easy. Nantahala eddies are slippery, so it's a continuously working on it. You get a little bit better as you go. Now a good peel out, you're gonna take the stroke from the eddy. Your hips will cross the eddy line. So you will cross the water into the waving water. When your hips are crossing that line, good proper peel out. You're gonna take a stroke, your hips cross the line. You're gonna rotate your body, place the paddle, and let that water turn you. Some sick eddies to catch in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you follow me, we can try to catch. You want to take the challenge. So you see where they are?
Yeah.
We're going left. When we get to where they are, we're going to the left. So where that water is burning,
Yeah.
we're going to go left into the eddy.
Okay.
Valiant attempt, but there was a little bit. You were coming at it straight above.
Yeah.
I came at it at an angle, right? It was a little bit easier for me to charge into it at an angle than to go straight. And then the only thing that really messed it up was your mind was telling you to stay in your boat and stay upright. It was getting in the way of your sense of timing. Your sense of timing, all you need to do is make a good sweep stroke on your outside, which was your right.
So that on this side.
Yeah. So when you're doing an eddy turn into an eddy, you are pushing away from the current to get your boat into the eddy. Add a little bit of complication to complete the move. The kind of final part of the eddy turn. So what you were doing there, you're aiming at the rock, keep your eye on the prize. Your last move that you did a sweep stroke from the outside. It pushed the forward half of your boat across the eddy line. Yes.
Okay.
When your hips cross that eddy line, guess what the water was doing to your boat?
It's kind of pushing me back the other way.
It was grabbing your stern and whipping your ass around, letting the water do the work. Now you're still doing the work and maintaining your balance, placing your next stroke. Your next stroke, when you get into an eddy, you're going to grab the eddy water. So
Okay.
what you would do, you enter the eddy. The eddy's on this side. You've now entered the eddy. You could do it on either side of your boat. It kind of depends on where you are. But it would be kind of at what we call an open face bow draw. Hold your paddle like this, wrist down. Yeah, there we go. Now do this with your wrist. Okay, do this with Do this with your wrist. Okay.
I can only do so many of those.
That's what we gotta be careful with, right?
Woo! Woo! Oh, that was fun. You don't want to get overloaded with the training shit either, because then you're forgetting the last thing. Over a wave and land with another forward stroke, and you're going to feel your boat looping over those waves. Oh. Man, did you see me? I went into that hole. Holy shit.
Start to cross it.
No, it almost ate me alive. I almost lost my balance in that one.
Yeah. So you want to try and hit them high.
Okay.
You can hit me too if you want.
I ain't trying to hit
You gotta yell
you.
at me first. You gotta let me know you're going to. Land, and you're going to launch off that landing structure. Get yourself over the waves, You'll feel your boat go woo, woo, woo. The biggest waves are at the bottom of this wave train.
All right.
It gives you time to get your timing and what's the best time to do it.
almost gonna do it.
Stay there.
I knew it was gonna flip me this time. Guys, I knew from the last time. The falls was gonna flip me this time. I just knew it. I had a feeling I was gonna flip this time. Because I said last time I hadn't flipped yet in the falls, and well, today was that day. Today was definitely that day. Woo! That water's cold, but I needed that though.